vitamins and minerals that give kidneys the strength they need to work their best. Gina the ginger chimed in. Plus, we have antioxidants that fight off harmful invaders and protect those hardworking kidneys. Toby the turmeric grinned, and let's not forget my special powder, curcumin. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation and supports the overall well-being of the kidneys. As they talked, the Nutriville residents started incorporating these superfoods into their meals. They made colorful salads, tasty smoothies, and hearty stews. With each bite, they knew they were giving their kidneys the love and care they deserved. And so, in Nutriville, these fruit and veggie friends continue to spread their kidney detoxifying magic. They showed everyone that taking care of their kidneys wasn't just about a quick cleanse, it was about nourishing and supporting these vital organs with Phase 100 power. Remember, friends, you can be a kidney hero too by enjoying the goodness of cranberries, apples, spinach, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Ready to be a superhero for your health? Visit www.superfoodparents.com and join the Nutriville community to learn how to nourish your body like the residents of this vibrant town.
Well, also in Queens, police take down of a massive marijuana operation. Police say it's one of the city's largest pot busts ever. Officers discovered millions of dollar warehouse in Astoria, Queens. Eyewitness News reporter Phil Tate has more on the sophisticated.
Yeah, good afternoon. Neighbors tell me today that they would see fancy cars pull up outside of this warehouse and would see boxes go in and out. Never did they think that the NYPD, along with the New York City Sheriff's Office, would find hundreds of pounds of marijuana worth $5 million. This morning, the New York City Sheriff's Office have posted up these signs letting the community know that there's no business going on inside and that this warehouse is shut down. And for many of them, they're reacting. Let's take a listen.
Living in this neighborhood for 7 years, you know.
And didn't know what was going on. Damn.
See things that other
Stay your ass at home so you were safe.
And, even though it's none of your business, you keep it pushing, and eventually things like this happen, and then it's not a big surprise.
$5 million of marijuana. That's a lot.
Seeing people doing business, I thought it was a legit business. They look all decent and innocent. I would never believe.
No, just people around there going with expensive cars inside. Then put a little package in the cars.
Law enforcement tells us they even found equipment that produced vape cartridges for sale. Our cameras were rolling as hundreds of pounds were seized at the warehouse facility on 2nd Street here in Astoria. Police tell us they became aware of this when they were responding to a report of a robbery at the warehouse around 3 a.m. yesterday. Officers arrested 2 male suspects in their 30s who they said had 125 pounds of cannabis flower. They realized the suspects were taking the product from the warehouse, so they reached out to the sheriff's office, and together they moved in, making it one of the largest seizures. Now, the sheriff's office telling us there was nothing legal about this warehouse.
If it was a legitimate operation, we would have licensing, of course. There would be some type of documentation that they are a legitimate LLC or a corporation. In here, it's obvious that it's just a storage house, and we do have some intel that they are supplying other areas in New York City and outside of New York City.
Now, according to the city, more than 750 illegal smoke shops have been padlocked. The city had ramped up enforcement back in April, but the big question this afternoon is where all of this marijuana is coming from. We're in Astoria. I'm Phil Tate, Channel 7.
All covered from. We know where it's coming from. Somebody growing the hell out of that shit. Shout out to indoor gardeners, because you can produce a lot if you get something going indoors.
Everybody in New York was calling to get down with Mr. Nice Guy. We met all kinds of customers, like this guy here. He's what we call an enhancement smoker, because he thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better.
Mi casa su casa.
Observe.
You're Scarface, right?
Yeah.
I love Al Pacino, man. Did you ever see Son of a Woman?
Yup.
You ever seen Son of a Woman on weed? That's the way to see it, man. It's just whack.
$60, yo.